Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to resolve Indeed app crash. First of all, make sure you have this application installed and is up to date. Now go to your settings. Look for the option for apps. Over here look for Indeed app. Scroll down and look for the application. Now you can clear the data. Click on it by clicking on the right bottom option. Clear all data, press OK and do it again. Clear all data and also clear the cache. And in this way you can resolve this problem. If this problem still exists, you can simply uninstall the application and install again. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel. As we are about to hit 1000 subscribers, we need your support. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.